Question number 13. Here we go. We've got a school who's choosing a president, vice president, treasurer. They give us some details about who's running, Linda, Maria, and so forth. And then they give us this, over here, this tree diagram. And so we're told that Linda and Maria are running for president. John and Bob are running for vice president, so they split off this way. And then we've got Amanda, Jessica, and Deborah running for treasurer. And so the vote would be for the president, and then a president will get marched with one of the vice presidents. So that's where you get this tree diagram coming off. And then once we've got that chosen, there'll be one of the three treasurers will be chosen. So how many outcomes? The outcomes are over here. The president, vice president, treasurer listing. Each one of these is just a little different than the one before it. One of the names is different. So all we have to do is count how many outcomes. Now we're not counting probabilities. We're just counting number of outcomes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 outcomes. We could also do that analytically if you wanted to with since we've got 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. That's how we get that. 12 outcomes. How many outcomes have both Maria and John being chosen? Maria and John. You can see, if you just kind of follow this, there's going to be 3 of them, aren't there? Here's Maria, here's John, and then there's 3 different ones. Maria, John, and Amanda, Maria, John, Jessica, Maria, John. So there's 3 right here. And then there's, yeah, that's the only 3 that have both Maria and John being chosen. How many outcomes do not have Amanda? So Amanda, where she's over here, so maybe a little bit harder, but basically each of these will be taken out. So you take out that one, that one, that one. So you're taking away 4 from 12. So you're going to have 8 left. And again, you could count them physically or just take 4 from 12. That's counting of outcomes. Sometimes we do this as a first step and then we want a probability, but we need to know number of outcomes first.